Good morning, girls. How are you today? Okay. Are you ready to start my own lesson for today? Okay, let's start, girls. But before starting, let me ask you about the day and the date. Who can tell me what is the day today? Today is Thursday. Thursday. And the date is 22 1 1442 after Hijrah. Again, today is Thursday, Thursday, and the date is 22 1 1442 after Hijrah. Okay, girls? Please, girls, don't forget to write the day with the date on your books on page 6 and 7, okay? Now, our lesson today will be lesson 2 in unit 1, and as we said before, it's about feelings. On page 6 and 7, please, girls, open your book, page 6 and 7, and write the day with the date. Please, girls, open your books, page 6 and 7, and write the day with the date. Hurry up, please. Write the day with the date on your box on page 6 and 7. Now, the handwriting sentence that I want you to copy in your notebook is, "It's nice to meet you." Again, "It's nice to meet you." Please, girls, copy this sentence in your notebook. Now, let's start our own lesson for today by asking you a simple question. My question is, how do you feel today? Again, how do you feel today? I feel happy today. Again, how do you feel today? I feel happy today. Okay, girls? Now, describe what can you see in this picture? In this picture, I can see a bedroom. Bravo, I can see a bedroom. Let's spell the word bedroom. Bedroom. Okay, I can see a bedroom. I can also see a window and a bed. I can see so many books and a clock. I can see a girl. I can also see so many pencils, right? Now, let's start. The first word in our lesson today now is what? What can you see here? I can see a cap. Excellent. Cap. Again, together with me, please. Cap. A-P. Again, cap. C-A-P. C-A-P. Again, please. C-A-P. Cap. Okay, what is the color of this cap? The color of this cap is red. R-E-D. So, it is a red cap. It is a red cap. C-A-P. It is a red cap. C-A-P. So, word number 1 is cap. Let's see number 2. What can you see first? I can see 2 hands clapping. So, again, clap, clap, clap. C-L-A-P. 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 So, word number 1 is cap. 2, clap. C-L-A-P. Clap your hands. Okay, girls? So, C-L-A-P. C-L-A-P. How many hands do you have, girls? How many hands do you have? I have 2 hands with 10 fingers. I have 2 hands with 10 fingers. I have 2 hands with 10 fingers. Okay, girls? Now, word number 1 is cap. 2, clap. 3, what can you see first? Okay, can you tell me what is the time here in this clock? The time is 2 o'clock. So this is a clock. Again, clock. C-L-O-C-K. 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 Word number 1 is cap. 2, clap. 2, 3, clock. Again, clock. C-L-O-C-K. 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 Okay, girls? Now, Can you tell me what is the time here in this clock? The time is 2 o'clock. Number 4. Word number 4 is lock. Again, lock. L-O-C-K. L-O-C-K. Okay, what's the color of the, or what are the colors of this lock? We have yellow and black and also gray, right? So lock. L-O-C-K. L-O-C-K. 1. Clap. C-L-A-P. 2. Clap. C-L-A-P. 3. Word number 3 is what? Clock. Clock. C-L-O-C-K. And the last word is lock. L-O-C-K. Okay, girls? Now, what can you see here? I can see a foot. So, this word, if you have only one, we call it foot. If you have two, we said feet. Again, foot. If we have 1 foot, 2 feet. Okay? So, what is the plural of the word foot? The plural of the word foot is feet. Again, the singular is foot, F-O-O-T. The plural or the two, we call it feet. Okay, girls? Foot and feet. Okay? Let's spell the word foot together. F-O-O-T and feet, F-E-E-T. Okay, girls? Now, how many feet do you have? I have 2 feet. Okay, girls? Now, let's see. First, second, third, number 3, fourth, number 4, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, and 10th. Again, please. Number 1, we call it first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, and 10th. Okay, girls? Now, open your books, please. Our lesson today is very easy. Open your books, please. Open your books, girls. Don't forget to write the day with the date on page 6 and 7. Don't forget to write the day with the date on page 6 and 7, girls. And now let's do exercise number 1, chant and do. If you're happy and you know it, okay?
Rhythms and listening. Exercise 1. Chant and do. If you're happy and you know it. Clap your hands.
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Stamp your foot.
Okay, now, girls, again.
Rhythms and listening. Exercise 1. Chant and do. If you're happy and you know it.
Clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
Okay, girls. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Okay, now let's move to exercise number 2. Listen, say, and match. Listen, say, and match.
Sounds and letters. Exercise 2. Listen, say, and match.
Are you ready? Let's practice first. C says cap, cap, cap. CL says clap,
Clap.
clap,
Clap.
clap, 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 clap. L says ooh, ooh, lock, ooh, ooh, lock. CL says cl, cl, clock, cl, cl, clock. Cap, cap, clap, clap. Lock, lock. Clock, clock. Cap, cap.
Okay, girls, now I want you to match the words with the picture. Match the words with the picture. So here we have cap, here we have clap, here we have clock, and here we have lock. Okay, girls? Now let's move to exercise number 3, confusion game. Listen, please.
Fun time. Exercise 3. Confusion game. Try and trick your partner.
Are you ready? Let's practice first. F is the 7th letter of the alphabet. No, it's the 6th letter. G is the 7th letter. Now you do it.
F is the 7th letter of the alphabet. No, it's the 6th letter. G is the 7th letter.
Okay, good. Let's play for real.
Okay, girls, now here we have so many letters. I want to write here what is the first letter, then what is the second letter, A, B, C, D, third, fourth, fifth till 10th, okay? Starting from the first letter is A, second B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, and the last one is J, okay, girls? Now open your activity book, please. Now we have just sung this song together. Now I want you to trace these gray lines. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. I want you to trace these gray words, okay? Now let's move to this exercise. Listen and match.
Let's do goal 4. I can play the confusion game with a partner and say 6th, 7th, 8th. 1. Listen and touch.
Can you find the body parts? Foot,
It's in your book, class. It's in
head,
your book.
finger, chest, finger, chest, chest, head.
2. Listen and
Exercise
match.
number 2.
Right.
1. E is the 5th letter of the alphabet.
Right? E is the 5th letter of the alphabet.
2.
2.
H is the 8th letter of the alphabet. 3. I is the 9th letter of the alphabet.
Now trace the words. Then do 3. Join the dots, then write.
Okay, girls, now I want you to trace these gray lines. Then write A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Then trace these gray words. Trace these gray words. Join the dots. Then write here we have foot, F-O-O-T, and hand, H-A-N-D. This is the end of my own lesson today. Thank you for listening and watching, and see you next time.